Welcome students. In the last class we understood about appositives. We also understood about appositive phrases. We understood about their examples and we knew the difference, how a positive phrase is different from appositives. In today's class we are going to understand about non-essential and essential appositive phrases. So firstly we are going to understand about non-essential appositive phrases. So before we understand that, let me remind you what are phrases. You know that phrases are a group of words that give you some meaning. So appositive phrases consist of an appositive and some modifiers which help in explaining the meaning of a noun in a deeper way. So let's see. And non-essential appositive phrases. Non-essential actually itself tells you that these are not essential, means not necessary, and these give you bonus information or the extra information. Okay. These non-essential phrases give extra information, extra or the bonus information about some noun preceding it. If we remove them, there would be not much change in the meaning of the sentence. So non-essential means they provide us some extra information. If we remove them, then there would be not much change in the meaning of the sentence. Let's see. A DC Comics superhero the Flash is popular among the young boys. See another example. The Flash, Barry Allen's alter ego is quite popular DC Comics superhero. Quite popular DC Comics superhero. So here you can see that these underlined words are non-essential appositive phrases. So let's see one more example. Here you can see a DC comic superhero. The Flash is popular among the young boys. So DC comic superhero, this is the non-essential appositive phrase. Similarly in this example, Barry Allen's alter ego, this is the non-essential appositive phrase. So if you remove them, then there will be not much change in the meaning. The meaning will remain the same because these appositive phrases give you some extra information which most of the time you already know. So let's see one more example. One more example. Example 3. My nephew often compares himself to the Flash, a DC Comics superhero. Before we understand essential appositive phrases, let me remind you that a non-essential appositive phrase may come in the beginning of a sentence. It may come in the middle, at the beginning, or at the end of a sentence. When it comes at the beginning of a sentence, then it is followed by a comma. And when it comes at the end, then it is preceded by a comma. And when it comes in the middle, then obviously there will be a comma before and after. Okay? So here you can see my nephew often compares himself a DC comic superhero. So this is the non-essential phrase. Okay? Now we will talk about essential phrases. As the name itself says, these are essential. These are essential to the meaning of a sentence. You can't remove them. If these are removed, if you remove these essential appositive phrases, then the meaning of the sentence will change. You will not get the same meaning. So let's understand. Essential appositive phrases can't be removed from the sentence, and if removed, the meaning of the sentence will change. So let's see. Arthur Allen Arthur Edgar Allan Poe wrote horror tales. Next, my friend Miss Emily owes me $50. Pop star Michael Jackson died in 2009. So Michael Jackson, Miss Emily, Arthur Doyle's famous character Sherlock Holmes. Sherlock Holmes is still popular on screen and in print. So here you can see the underlined words are called essential appositive phrases, and if you try to remove them, then they will change the meaning of the sentence. For example, Arthur Edgar Allan Poe wrote horror tales. Generally what happens, they come without comma, okay, but if a comma is there, then also it is understood that these are essential. So if you remove this, then the meaning will change. Arthur wrote horror tales. So which Arthur wrote horror tales? It is not very clear. Okay. My friend Miss Emily owes me $50. So here, if we remove this name, this phrase, then what will happen? That my friend owes me $50. It will not be clear which friend. Pop star died in 2009. So which pop star? If we remove this name, then this sentence will not give us proper meaning. Arthur Conan Doyle's famous character Sherlock Holmes is still popular on screen and in print. So if we remove the name, then it will not be a proper sentence. So in this way, we can easily understand that essential appositive phrases are indispensable for a sentence. You can't remove them, and if you try to remove them, you will change the meaning of the sentence. So I hope you have understood today the difference between essential and non-essential appositive phrases. In the next class, we will understand some other important topics of language. So by then, keep watching, and if you are new, then you subscribe the channel. If you are regular, then you recommend the channel to your friends. Keep watching. Thank you.